Look at all these roly-polies. Holy moly, roly-poly. This is why I use logs, natural wood, to line my raised bed. Because they decompose. The logs actually had mushrooms coming out of this log. You see the roly-polies decomposing all the organic matter in the soil, all the wood and everything. That's great for bioactivity, for creating living soil. Know the difference between the good bugs and the bad bugs. Make sure you keep the good bugs there. You want them there on your farm. They're gonna help things grow. Be able to identify good and bad bugs, good weeds, bad weeds, and grow your food in accordance with nature, sustainable and attainable. Y'all stay rooted, keep growing. Bless. Y'all tap into the special webinar series that we put together for this month. We got one this Sunday showing you why you need to start growing your food, and then we got another webinar on the 26th of February showing you how to grow your own food. Click the link in the bio.